what's up guys, David's Game, and welcome back to my brand new video. Look on my breaking on a double-legged bones. Who have to agree? Let's make all this. Look at all these stuff. Wow, that's why I made all of this. They're all darn the part 3 level ups makes. There we go. Yes, guys, here we go. Oh yeah! More of the bones. Last time, 22 come back. See? The training marks. That's why you do have this kind of sale. You want to buy this. You are banning me. Whoa! Uh-oh, I'm almost done. Woo! Ah, stop! Oh! Whoa! I actually stopped. Let's make that move time ago. Oh, it's a hole! I'm inside a black hole! Oh no. Oh, I got even the most health! No! I want to least health! No. That's very great. Ow. I hit my Ow. Ow. That hurt. Ow. Ow. Ah! Oh no, I died. Let's make over it. Ouch! Alright, let's make more times. Just say it. Oh, more again. This is great. More adds more. But I got fewest percent now. Let's go and make all the darts. Yeah. I die a lot. No. Ooh, that was an exciting level up. Great job. I made a good job, children. The video made me 10%. So, alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.